Yes, this is Alex Carter with Carter Door-to-Door Services. Out late, working. Been doing parking lot pimping. Just did this gas station. I think I got a picture of before and after. I got all the grease spots and stuff. Those are just wet spots you see. Don't rust. They just wanted me to pressure wash it down because I guess they want to paint it. So yeah, I am here this late. Fixing to call it a night. And no, I didn't drove my van today. I got one of my trucks to do the pressure washing. And to tell you where we at, look at the gas. $2.19. So I'm out here late at night in the good state of South Carolina, town of Columbia. So, see y'all tomorrow with something else to do. Like I say, yes, I do pressure washing too. Driveway, concrete, gas station, canopy, you name it. I'll do it. Once again, this is Alex Carter with Carter Door-to-Door Services, and y'all have a great day.